This How to 1 Minute will show you how to get people to join your Discord server. You can get more people by adding your server to multiple online Discord directories such as Discord, Discord Me, Top.gg, Discords, Discord Street, Discord servers, or by sharing your server to other social media platforms including Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Another way to post your server URL on Reddit or by adding an attractive description. And that's how you will get more people to join your Discord server. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.